Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook cannot send friend request problem in Facebook application. If you face Facebook cannot send friend request problem, it usually related to limits, privacy settings or temporary restriction problem. Let's see step by step solution. Step 1. Check Facebook request limit. You may have been sent too many requests recently. Wait a few days and avoid sending many requests at once. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Facebook application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Click on Search. Search Facebook app. Update your Facebook application latest version. You make sure your Facebook application is up to date. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Facebook application. Click on friend icon and send the friend request. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook cannot send friend request problem in Facebook application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.